Do you remember when Visa cards first came out? You were used to paying with cash or with a check, and then a Visa came out. It was this weird payment system that you didn't understand. And she said, yeah, I remember that. Well, Bitcoin is just the next evolution of another payment system.
Brace yourself, Nakamoto was the foundation. What up, guys? It's your boy Nakamoto Crypto here, and today we have got Messari CEO predicts a possible rise in Cardano's ADA's price. Messari Crypto CEO Ryan Selkis predicts possible growth in the price of Cardano's ADA after the Shelley's launch. ADA staking rates will be lower than those of other networks such as Tezos and Cosmos. Cardano's introduction to the DeFi sector is amongst the reasons for ADA's recent rise. So Messari Crypto Data Platform CEO Ryan Selkis commented on Cardano's recent rise to the top 6 position in the top 10 cryptocurrencies, with BSV behind ADA and an 85% increase in the ADA price. Cardano still has room to grow. At least this is what the CEO said in his newsletter, while stating that investors can still push ADA's price on the expectations of the Shelley mainnet launch. This event will occur through a hard fork that will be activated on July the 29th this month. Along with the expectations of potential gains, Cardano could have lower staking rates than Tezos and Cosmos. These networks use proof of stake, but Selkis relied on the results of the incentivized testnet to predict the following. The potential discrepancy between staked and unstaked ADA, however, could bode well for bulls even after Shelley goes live, while the initial staking percentage won't be known until after the launch. Cardano's incentivized testnet saw participation from 40% of the reported supply. If this carries over to the mainnet, Cardano's staking rates will be significantly lower than the large cap networks like Tezos, which is 80%, and Cosmos, which is 71%. So the deployment of Shelley is undoubtedly the main reason behind the rise of Cardano. Its staking system offers rewards, incentive schemes, as low rates are attractive features for investors. However, there are other reasons behind the ADA rally. First, ADA has its first breakout from its critical resistance level at 10 cents since 2018. Unlike March of this year, when ADA was close to breaking that resistance, ADA's most recent rally has not been greeted by a sell-off. This has attracted the attention of traders who have continued to drive up the price of the token. At the time of publication, ADA is trading at 13 cents with a 6.39% gain in the last 24 hours alone, and a 65.33% gain in the last 30 days alone. Wow, 65% gain in 1 month. ADA is working wonders. So another reason behind the rise of ADA is related to the possible introduction of Cardano to the DeFi sector. In a tweet shared by IOHK CEO Charles Hoskinson, a review is made of the advantage of the Cardano platform to win in the race for the decentralized finance. Over the past few months, the DeFi sector has seen significant growth. On Ethereum alone, the total value locked TVL reached a new all-time high of $2 billion. In that sense, Hoskinson said Cardano will become one of the most important platforms and a competitor that takes a portion of the TVL on Ethereum's DeFi sector. So yeah, Cardano will take over the DeFi sector. So at first he reckons that the staking rewards with Tezos and Cosmos will be higher than those of Cardano, but the technology of ADA will attract a lot of people. ADA is bigger, it has a bigger market cap, and if they start to market this thing, a lot of traders will get in, and institutional investors will jump in as well. So this guy is saying long term, ADA might be the coin you would want to stake. Who knows, man? Price wise, I mean, Cardano has pretty much outperformed almost all of these coins, especially this year with everything that has happened so far. As soon as they announced Shelley, people just been buying in like crazy. So the next bull run just might be spiked or triggered by Cardano's ADA. I mean, sitting in the bottom half of the top 20 for like almost 2 years, Cardano just rises up to the top 6. Do you guys see $1 Cardano by the end of the year, or at least 40 cents? And then by the end of next year, if we see a bull run, this price just might skyrocket past its previous all-time highs. I'm talking $3 to a $5 ADA. I hear a lot of people talking about $20 ADA. It's possible, but in my opinion, maybe not probable yet, because that's a large, like a huge market cap. But yeah, in crypto, anything is possible. Next, we have got Google searches for Chainlink hits all-time high as the Link token rallies. Retail interest in Chainlink, which acts as a bridge between cryptocurrency smart contracts and sell-offs, chain data feeds, is now at their highest level it has been in well over 1 year. So according to Google Trends, worldwide queries for the word Chainlink on the search engine reached a score of 100 in the weekend of July 12, more than double of what it was in the past week. A score of 100 indicates its maximum number of searches observed for a term during given time frames. So in the last few weeks, it has been crazy. The increased retail interest in the project alone could be attributed to the Link token recent metric price rally. The price of Link, an ERC20 token used to pay for services on the Chainlink network, rose to a record high of $8.48 early Monday. So having rallied by 50% in the last week alone. At press time, Link was changing hands at around $7.90 on major exchanges, up 73% on a month date-to-date basis and 350% over a year date-to-date basis. So you would have made 350% gain if you invested in Link 1 year ago. Wow. So the increased retail interest in the project is skyrocketing as we speak. People don't care about a lot of these projects, especially not people in the crypto space, but people from the outside looking in. They're just interested in the price. So as soon as you tell them, yo, there's this great project called Cardano, and then once you start discussing the technology, they don't seem to care so much about the technology. They go for the price. They ask you, where do I check the price? You send them to CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko or whatever. As soon as they jump in, they're looking at the price, and then they start closely watching it. So that's what's been happening with Chainlink. People started to Google it. I remember a couple months ago, just before the halving, Google Trends, the number one word that was trending at the time was Bitcoin halving, because people didn't understand what that was. They just see it thrown around everywhere on YouTube and the other social media platforms. So they started Googling it. So people are slowly awakening. Price poses a major and important factor to the investors. They want to know how can they make money from this. People gravitate and navigate towards prices. So do you see a $400 Chainlink in time being, or even $1,000 Chainlink? $1,000 Chainlink will be epic. It will change a lot of people's lives. As people are calling for a $100,000 Bitcoin, if we get another altcoin season, you might see an epic rally. And this is no financial advice, all opinions, but the altcoins that you constantly hearing on the news, that you're constantly hearing their projects working wonders, watch out for those ones. So in the last rally, you had coins like Neo. Another coin was Ethereum, from $8 all the way up to $1,400, because everybody was talking about what's the next Bitcoin, and Ethereum was the number 2 coin. XRP from 0.002 cents to $3, guys. And this time around, DeFi sector. Next, we got a third crypto co-founder behind a $25 million ICO scam to plead guilty. Sohrab Sharma would be the second co-founder behind the Centra Tech coin scam to face prison following the conviction of Robert Farkas in June. So one of the co-founders of the cryptocurrency firm Centra Tech is also facing charges relating to a $25 million initial coin offering scam and is reportedly planning to plead guilty. I bet he is. All of these ICOs that was coming out in 2017 that has shut down, the SEC is raining down on them. If you think that you can take people's money and run away, and they're waiting for you and they're watching and they're getting smarter and smarter. It's not like the 2016 to 2017 crypto rally. No, the governments are studying Bitcoin and they pay programmers, they pay people in the crypto space. You have criminal hackers and then you have government hackers. Of course, the government hackers just might outsmart these criminal hackers. So you might scam people of $25 million or $100 million. All your wallets might be trademarked. So soon as that money, that fraud money, hits an exchange, they're going to freeze your account. So there's no way you can cash this thing out. You all remember the Plus token scam, right? That wallet that used to scam people and they made almost $1 billion. Funds have been moving around. They try to move it to Binance or wallet after wallet because they know that soon as it hits one of these big exchanges so they can cash out, they are done. So they will never be able to cash this thing out because when they trademark your wallet, it's over. Once your money hits an exchange, they're going to freeze your account. Might not be able to get hold of you, but you will never be able to spend this thing. Hence why these people are coming out, keep getting caught. How do you start a whole ICO scam people of $25 million, promises them some fake tokens and never deliver? Your project was fake to begin with, and now these dudes are just sitting in prison. Lastly, we got Goldberg. Peter Schiff learns today that Bitcoin holders won't sell at any price. Almost 60% of 13,000 people say that they will hodl Bitcoin to the grave if the BTC price falls to trade above the $10,000 mark. Wow. So Peter Schiff, the gold king, is at it again. So BTC has succeeded in trolling infamous skeptic Peter Schiff as another attempt to discredit investors falls flat. In a fresh tweet, Schiff asked how long BTC USD should trade at 4 figures or less for investors to sell their coin. One replied, "I'm taking it to the grave." Wow. With 18 hours left to run at press time, more than 13,000 people has responded to Peter Schiff, who is well known for his lack of belief in Bitcoin. The quiz is for Bitcoin holders, he said, addressing his target audience. So how much does the price have to stay below the 10K mark before you all will sell? So Schiff offered 4 options: 1 year, 3 years, 10 years, until the investor dies. Those who replied, "I'm taking it to my grave," was easily most popular choice with 58% of the vote. So the results, likely not the one that Schiff was looking for, echoes his previous Bitcoin survey, which pitted BTC against gold. So yeah, Schiff was disappointed after this tweet, man. So apparently 90% of Bitcoin hodlers, 57.8% of the people who responded to him, well, they want to hold on for dear life. They want to hodl. So people still believe in Bitcoin, mainly because of its historical gains. The price fluctuates, yes, but it has never been steadier. BTC been under 10K for the last almost 2 months now. So for those who are saying it's too late to get in, so yeah, BTC is still holding on for dear life. That is because people understand what is coming next. This next rally will gain more attention. It'll be more out there on the news. Even Wall Street could get in at this point, as they have all missed out on the 2017 rally. And on that click, if you like the content, please don't forget to leave a like, share, subscribe. I've been Mr. Nakamoto Crypto, and I'm out.
Bitcoin under $8,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin under $5,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin over $10,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin is over $20,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin under $8,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin under $5,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin is over $10,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin is over $20,000.
Buy it.
Best performing asset in the last 10 years. True. Look into crypto, we need volunteers. No need to tiptoe, it won't disappear. Do your research, history made it clear.